The Hamburg Wadden National Park, German, Hamburgisches Wattenmeer, is the smallest of the three German Wadden national parks which protect the single ecological entity of the Waddensea of Hamburg. UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, reaching from Den Helder to Esbjerg. It is an exclave of the city-state of Hamburg in North Germany and lies 12.5 kilometers off Cuxhaven, in the estuary of the Elbe in the North Sea, German Bight, and includes the islands of Neuwerk, Scharhörn and Nigehörn. It is made up mainly of sand and mixed mudflats with shallow creeks, sandbars, Plaaten, and the aforementioned dune islands. National Park. In accordance with the ruling by the Hamburg Parliament on 9 April 1990, the area was reclassified as the Hamburg Wadden National Park. On 5 April 2001 the law was updated and the national park area expanded as a result. The total area of the national park, Zones 1 and 2, is 13,750 hectares, 53.1 square mile. The Zone 1 areas are under special protection. Thus, for example, mudflat hiking and horse and carriage rides are only permitted on designated routes. Within the national park there are about 2,000 species of animal, of which about 250 only occur in the salt marshes of the Wadden Sea. Of particular note are the common seal and the grey seal. Due to the natural influx of sediment, there is a high concentration of food for young fish and seabirds at the mouth of the Elbe. The national park is therefore an important resting and molting area for seabirds. For example, shelducks live on the snails that are found in hundreds of thousands on the surface of the mudflats. The approximately 180,000 birds of the northwestern shelduck population spends also their molting period from July to September in the Wadden Sea, which is protected by the three national parks in the states of Lower Saxony, Schleswig-Holstein and Hamburg. About 200,000 eider ducks also spend their molting season here. About 1,000 pairs of eiders also use the mudflats of the North Sea as a breeding area. Most of them breed on the island of Amrum. At the same time, the Wadden Sea is a resting place for breeding birds from northern climes that eat up the fat reserves they need for successful breeding. As a result, there are about 10 to 12 million waders, geese, ducks and gulls in the Wadden Sea as a whole. The park works closely with the Jordand Society, Verein Jordand, especially in the area of bird conservation. Biosphere Reserve. Since 1992 the national park has also been designated as a Biosphere Reserve, something which increases the importance of the park, because since then it has been placed under international protection in accordance with the UNESCO program, Man and Biosphere. The National Park Management is responsible for the care of the Biosphere Reserve and its national aspects. Addresses: National Park Hamburgisches Wattenmeer, National Park Station Neuwerk, Termwort, D27499 Insel Neuwerk, Tel. 04721 69271, and Behoort für Stadt Entwicklung und Umwelt. National Park Verwaltung Hamburgisches Wattenmeer, Stadtdorfbruck Rate, D20355 Hamburg, Tel. 040-42840-3392. Sources: Web Hamburg, Naturschutzam, ed. 2001. In German. National Park Atlas Hamburgisches Wattenmeer. National Park Plan. Teil I. Naturschutz und Landschaftspflege Hamburg. Schriftenreihe der Web Heft 50. Hamburg. pp. 1-165. http. FHH1. Hamburg. Der Behörden Behörde Wattenmeer PDF Atlas Komplett PDF Filmography Im National Park Wattenmeer Documentary 45 minutes Deutschland. 1998. By Jens Uwe Heinz and Michael Suter. Production. Complete Media GmbH. Grunwald. ISBN 3-89672-492-4. Short description by Ard. See also. Waddensee. Lower Saxony Waddensee National Park. Schleswig-Holstein Waddensee National Park. Waddensee Conservation Station. Mudflat hiking. Hamburg Waddensee National Park. German. National Park Atlas.